Hello and welcome back. So today I reached in the bucket of locks that I got from West Coast Picks and pulled out this cam lock, which I actually kind of went looking for it. I wanted to check it out. I've not had anything like this one before. This is interesting. It appears to have 9 dimples on it. You can see there's nine cuts on the key. They're the same on both sides, but you'll notice that they are staggered. You got, one there, one up here, one there, one down, so they're staggered. But when you look in the keyway, which by the way the key works perfectly, flawlessly, when you look at this keyway, I don't know, my camera's probably not picking that up too well. Let's see if I can shine a little bit of light on it. Come on, focus. There we go. You can see that those dimples are facing each other. They're opposing. So you probably have, from the looks of this key, you got 4 on top and 5 on bottom. So there's 4 pointing this way and 5 pointing up. So, yeah. Let's see here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to weave my way in and outside of the inside of those dimples. But at any rate, let's put it in the vise and see if we can get into this thing. I've not given this any thought until just now, but we are going to check it out. Let's see here. Get it in the vise. Okay, that might work. And didn't catch too bad. Alright, we'll give this a shot. Let me grab my tension wrench here. And, okay, that's not going to hold. Tighten that up just a little bit. Okay, let me see something here. I tightened that up. I don't want to... Yeah, I was afraid of that. You know what? Sorry. Let me grab my other vise. Okay guys, sorry. I am keeping it handy though because I ran into this before where that vise does not like certain locks. So, let's put it in this one. Alright, let's try this again. See ya. Yep, okay, that works. You guys can see that the key does work. So, nice and smooth. Let's see if I can keep my hands out of the way and show you guys this. Let's see what we get here. Zoom in. Again, like I said, I'm gonna try to weave in and out of those pins. I'm gonna go heavy tension as I normally would. Okay, there was a little bit on like the third or fourth one back. Now, being that this is a cam lock, I'm not pushing very hard on these pins because I'm guessing there's not very big springs on these pins. Okay, not getting anything right away here. Okay, there was a little bit on 3 or 4, and I don't know if it was an overset. And then my feedback kind of went away, so I'm guessing it was. Wait a second. Ooh, that went the wrong... Okay, there we go. I got him set. That was like 4 or 5, hell, I don't know. It was something on the top. How about that? Oh, there it goes. Open on 3. Okay. Or, well, something in the middle there. Any rate, it is picked. Thank you very much, West Coast Pick, for this awesome lock. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your time. And, well, don't break the law.